good Rocket City Classic cars. Check out this GMC Sierra. I believe it's a 95. I think I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this up and paint it all black and possibly sell it. This one has approximately 153,000 miles on it. It's gonna need a little bit of work. Paint. Not sure what's going on over here. Probably needs to be resealed. It's a SL 95. Interior needs some assistance, but this one right here is going to be a quick sale. But we're still gonna have some fun with it. Definitely needs possibly a new dash, but I'm not sure if I want to dive into that. Again, 1995 Sierra. Grab the key. Let's see if we can start this thing up. Starts right up. AC is kind of cold. Oops, that's not good. Miles. Need some gas. Radio, tape deck, that's pretty cool. So it definitely has some potential. The seats need to be redone. Take this off. Yeah. Another one of the cars that we are going to be reviving, 2008 Malibu LTZ. Needs a new fender. I think this door can be spared. Has a sunroof. About 130 some odd miles. Dual exhaust, V6. As you can see, it's been sitting here for a while now. Interior, leather interior. The interior is really nice. It's really, really nice. Nice interior. Battery is dead, but hey. Sunroof, boom. Seats look really, really good. Really, really good. This is gonna be fun. This one's gonna be fun.
1
This one does need a new battery, so I'm not gonna be able to start it for you guys. But yeah, it has potential. Of course, I don't like the chrome wheels, but hey, somebody else might like it. Tires look in decent condition on this side. But as you can see, it's been sitting. It has been sitting. Yep. So we are going to be working on the Malibu and the Sierra. Next 2 projects on the channel. Like always, like, share, and subscribe. And we are out. Rocket City Network, D. Mashawn. Yeah.